Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once the screen wakes up, press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the control panel. After the control panel opens, swipe on the screen to scroll through it, scroll through the menu, find the option called the power saving, and once you find it and you want to enable the power saving mode, tap on it, the switch will flick on and the screen will get a lot dimmer, which indicates that the power saving mode is enabled. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. You can also disable the mode the same way, so basically open the control panel, scroll through the menu, find the power saving, tap on it to disable the mode, and then swipe right. Also, if you open the settings on your watch by pressing and holding the middle button, scroll through the settings, enter the general, so tap on general, scroll through the general, find the power saving, and here you can tap on the power saving to enable and disable the power saving mode. And of course, once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.